Welcome to Clash of Code. This isn't just another coding platform, this is a digital coliseum. We asked ourselves, why should coding interviews be boring? Why is learning algorithms so solitary? We built the answer, a high-octane, real-time 1v1 battleground where developers fight for supremacy using the only weapon that matters, their code. It's competitive programming meets fighting game mechanics, wrapped in a sleek, immersive cyberpunk aesthetic. User journey and authenticity. The experience begins the moment you land.
Welcome to Clash of Code. This is a platform which solves the problem of competitive programming being very boring. We have built a platform where you can practice your questions and practice your coding skills in a competitive manner 1v1 with a stranger or with any of your friends. So here we have this is our home screen which has three options. There is a sign in button. This is a guest access. If you don't want to sign in, you can just play as a guest, and this is our login button. For now we'll go for sign in. I'll give my name as Divyansh and my email ID and my password. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the home page. Here you will get an authentication email from Supabase. You can go to the login page, and here you can put in the same email that you verified for. And you will be logged in your ID. Here you will be redirected to the battle arena page. Here you have three options, actually 5 options, but we'll first talk about these 3 options. These are 15-minute matches, 30-minute matches and 45-minute matches, which we have divided based on the difficulty level. So 15-minute matches you will get only the easy questions, 30-minute matches you will get the medium questions, and 45-minute matches you will get the hard questions. If I go for the 15-minute match, now this will search for the other user, for any other user who is available to play a 15-minute match, and he is waiting on the queue. So we have no other player, so I'll go to the next tab. So here we are on the next tab. For the other user, I'll play as a guest. Same 15-minute match. And now you can see there were 2 users for the 15-minute match, so they are both matched and the match has started. So now here this is the battle page where both the user gets the same question, which is find maximum in the list and return the maximum number in a list. You get an health for your opponent and you, and this is the timer. This is for 15 minutes. This is your code editor, and this is the button to submit the code. Now for every wrong answer, your health will be deducted. For example, if I do this, the answer was wrong, so you can see the health is deducted by 10 points. And the opponent has 100% of the health. Now if I put in the right answer and execute, the test cases are run and I have won. My ELO is placed by 14 and the other user is defeated and ELO is deducted by 10. Now we'll go home, and this is the home page. You can view your profile here. So on the top right you can get the profile. When you click on the profile, you'll get all the stats of your ID. So this is the ELO rating, which is by default set on 800. As you play, this will increase or decrease based on your performance. This is the victory rate. I have 45% of the matches I have won. That means 13 wins, and 16 losses. Total matches are 29. And these are all the recent matches. We have limited this to only 10 matches to show the 10 recent matches. This will show who was against you. So if there was a user, this will show you the username. For now it was a guest, so it is just showing you the guest. This will show the duration of the match. We selected the 15-minute match, so this will show you the duration of the match. Other thing, we have also added the feature for creating a room and creating a personal meet. So for that, you have to just click on the create room button. You have to select what type of match you want to play and then generate room. Once you click on generate room, you will get a code which you can then select and copy, and for the other user you can go on. The other user can be a logged in user, authorized user, or just a guest, doesn't matter. If he is a guest, he can just go on join room, he can just paste the code and establish connection. Once he clicks on establish connection, the match will be matched and both will be on the same match. So this is how you can play with your friends. It works with the same logic. Now few more things that I want to tell you, that is, if this clocks run out of the time, like 15 minutes is over, both the user will be considered as lost and both the user will have a decrease in their ELO ratings. Second thing, if any user has 0 health before the time is up, the user with the 0 health, because of the continuous execution and wrong answers and syntactical mistakes, the health will be deducted, and if the user has 0 health, the user will be disqualified. But the other user can still keep on playing, meaning the user with the 0 health will be considered lost and the ELO will be decreased. But for the other user, the game will still be on and he has to solve the question under the time which is remaining. If he does that, he will win. If he doesn't does that, he will also be considered as lost.